Welcome back to Fast Fix. Today I will show you how to add more friends on Snapchat shortcut. So when you open your Snapchat and take a snap right over here, for example, and then once you take a snap, you need to tap on next. And then right here, you need to tap on the plus icon at the top, as you can see. And then here you need to choose the account that you want to create to add more friends to your shortcut. So right here, and then you need to choose the emoji, and then after you choose that emoji right here, you can now create a shortcut. Then if you want to send, tap on that emoji right here, and then you can select all so you can send them at once. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to the next video.